Alright, what's up everybody? We're back with another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Supreme metal chair that recently came out. The retail on this chair was pretty low, so I was able to pick up more than one. However, I was not able to pick up the red one, but that's okay with me because I wanted the black one more. If you guys do want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm getting pretty close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I believe I'm less than 200 away now, so subscribing really does help right now. And yeah, we're going to be showing you guys this chair. I'll go ahead and take off the wrapping. So here's the chair. I'm going to get some better angles for you guys. Alright, so right here I have the Supreme chair, which I will be unboxing today. I was able to get 3 of these. Right now I have 2 in hand. The other one that I have is also black. I maybe should have gotten one red one. However, I just went for the black ones. So that's what I have here. This one I'll probably keep new for a while. So I'll put that one off to the side. But then this one I could go ahead and show you guys. So it came in a big cardboard box. And they came with this bubble wrap. Alright, so here's the chair. You got Supreme embossed right here, which is nice. It is a metal folding chair. So yeah, it's not made out of plastic. It seems pretty durable as well. Other than this Supreme branding, there's not really any more branding anywhere else. I'll go ahead and open it. So this is what it looks like down on its 4 legs, and I could go ahead and sit on it too. It does seem pretty sturdy, so I'm pretty sure it'll last me a couple years, honestly. If it does end up breaking down, I don't think it would be too hard to find replacement parts. The only part that really is Supreme is this part either way, so I could get the seat replaced if I ever have to, or even the screws. But yeah, for $48 I believe this chair was. It's a pretty good deal. I'm lucky that I was able to grab more than one. This is what it looks like from the front. Then we could go ahead and look at the back. So you can see the Supreme right there. And then yeah, there's really not much to this chair. Out of the 2 colorways, the black one and the red one, I saw that the red one was a little bit glossy. This one isn't as glossy. This one's more of a matte finish. And it is metal, as I mentioned. And it closes up pretty easily, as you could see. It doesn't take up too much space. And then this is what it looks like from the back. So overall, a great quality chair, and I could definitely see this chair lasting me a few years. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up this chair. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Please make sure to subscribe if you do want to see more videos like this. I've been doing a lot of Supreme reviews recently. I did the bags and now the chair. I do have some sneaker reviews planned on the way. And then let me know if there's any other content you guys would like me to do. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.